I know people breathe every time at work. Get me that on my back and go and chill out. And me I wait for my boss to come because you know come in and it's time for me to go home. Somebody around there inside and guess what? It breathes every people who are going out on the sea. One little pink car out there, so if me a please drive across the water and see if I can reach in town quick and fast. But due to all the breeze and blow heavy, the wind push it all the way up. I don't know if I'm going to get it back down here so I can open it. Why? See the all I put them from the water, the breeze have them up, push them in from which part them there. But out, I have one short little vlog where me and it did go and mega mad. Yeah, me did go to buy one nice slice of cheesecake and me not get none. Never have. It did finish. So me have to buy one whole of cake. People never have the money to buy the whole of cake. Because my uncle going there with the small cake money. So watch the little vlog and see what happens. You can laugh off of me still, but him have to pay for it. Big up on yourself and to everybody with a comment on my videos. Big up on yourself, Pauline, Chrissy, Doctor, and Angel Vibes. And I want Wooly Palmer, sometimes I can't remember my name. I mean, I really like start to calling him them because I don't want someone to feel left out when doing so. But next time I'm going to get a list of everybody so we can call out his name. So guys, thanks for watching and all you know, press like. You can press like on the video and share the video also. Yeah, so this is me. Right there, so guys, so that's that. Wait up.
Yeah, festival, if you want peace.
I have nothing to watch down that. I'm not eat cup right now.
Deposit, and that's it.
Check your balance.
You have to go in your bank.
Check your balance.
No.
Check your balance.
Tell me now.
Bet you know you're not going to accept it.
Tell me now.
You know, so taxi give a whole man
you know. What you say I go buy now?
Sachet's cake.
Sachet's cake, me no want
Piece of cheesecake.
Sachet's cake.
You want this cake?
Sachet's cake, you say?
Cheesecake.
Okay, me no want no piece, me no want.
I can't question them.
Which part? I'll buy this box. Yeah, buy one of that.
We want to give it to buy one of that.
Yeah. When you see a turn in that lane, I wonder. Why you have to look for the cucumber? What? You know, see I rub down cucumber. No, like liquid in the bucker?
Yeah. Yeah, liquid in the bucker look like. You know feel so? Or just...
Yeah, liquid in there.
Liquid in there. I see so small.
Yo, you too. You find it? I said, oh, cheesecake, so. They walk out the people in the store to cheesecake. Huh? Have them, all of them have them. Eh?
I'm not seeing nobody over there.
No cheesecake, no son either. Oh yeah, a cheesecake, no.
So small.
Use somebody.
No, it's my purse.
I'll buy half of this.
How much time we buy it? Cheesecake at evening time. 2:55. Cost me some money long time.
Oh, animal. Say you're not easy, you know, man.
Yeah.
Go with Papa off the people in the fridge. You know, look around us and talk.
So how long we stand up did it? Then as you say me did how long then no good
Hey, the
customer
papa
service.
with people them fish.
We stand up
No,
there some more than 5 minutes and nobody no come there come.
You know, fish fire or what?
Now do them job. Me I look on one kind of
See one
empty
right
cashier.
there. One right there. Or this one, that one. Take up big cheese cake over from PFP.
You want to see me come out and let you in it.
You notice me and them empty. Me and them empty paper. Empty me and them. Me and I camera and hold up on this one. You see it?
We come out there.
Yeah. But take up the paper, them big cheesecake. See it? Big cheesecake, you know, take up the paper, them cheesecake. Hope I can pay for it.
Say, as a lady cash me.
Hope I can pay for the paper, them cake. No, but I saw wait for you. Make sure so you can pay for it. And take up big boss in this. Boy, I got dirty money. Look what, let me see in a yarn. Where you take up to come buy cake. Let me see in a yarn. Let me see in a yarn.
Bila show you me all.
Let me see in a yarn.
See them have couple thousand.
Couple thousand. Yeah, see if we cake then.
Hello darling. How you alright?
I hope I can pay for the cake. Yeah, lady.
Where you coming here from? I'm going to go down in your bag.
2,000 like you can pay for it. Yeah.
Think you ain't gonna pay for it. Yeah, see if I catch a finger on piece, me broke it.
$2,000 I can buy that. Buy people and
I
cake.
can't hold it. A style, me style. I know I say 2,000 can pay for what you're eating.
I have one I receipt.
This,
Yeah, that.
you want to start.
Yeah, alright. You know, boy, I gotta take up the people, them something now. Can't pay for it. Can't pay for it.
I really don't think.
Nah, liquor down your thing, mama. Nah, liquor down your thing. Oh, me for the liquor down your thing. But me I make you know, say, yo. Darling, how about yourself park, you know?
But Nick, I know I say you're going to pay for it. Come here, that friend.
So I make you never take up one cake for your money can buy.
No, I'm going there to buy the smaller one where you tell me, say.
When me tell you, say,
So me want to more than enough money. When the man that don't have it, actually, I did it.
go on in the bus, because you have something to tell me now.
We're going there to buy cake. I see a 1,300 or something that I feel cake. So I walk with it.
How much you was offer? Let me see how much you was offer the card. See it there? Oh, I can't see it. Why not?
Right now, I'm gonna eat piece.
No, I see something now.
5,000.
4,500.
$4,560. 4,560. So I'm going there with $2,000 to buy the cake for $1,300. Then don't have the one here for $1,300. So enough I forget one, whole of one. I know so with the help of you, me gonna pay for it.
The help of me?
I mean, so you're not gonna help eat this. I bet you my video when you eat piece and post it. Better you eat more than me.
Oh,
One
God.
piece now? You have knife?
You go buy for Raj now to eat. I don't know buy nothing. So
We can buy one of the food later, fish fry.
alright, that I was thinking. So you didn't know now. Just buy some gas on head one.
I want drinks.
Well, yes. Yeah, man. Road they say, you know. You know you go.
Ooh! Bombards! Bombarders! Mega Mart lifestyle! What is any poor life nice?
Poor life.
Don't it.
Poor life nice, man.
Don't it.
When you can't afford what you want.
Afford life nice.
But you see me, rich life. When you're rich sometimes, you need one.
Got too much for your head.
You need one nobody to food a see.
So we have to catch now. Look,
As the touch this
catch
up,
now.
I spend it.
Driving through catching now. We're going to show them why place them out the
Yeah, we
side.
get the youth one rich, you know, but God tell us that, yo, poor life nice, but
Ah, we see.
drive back yes up, man. When me
Ah, you
drive
remember
back, yes
say the police them. They run about
yo,
and then you come back so.
police them
Don't cost
around the side,
nobody.
but me straight, you know. Me
But
straight
you
like
say you
a
want
arrow, you
change.
know.
But you say you change, you know, so no cost nobody.
No, fly the one, the fly out.
Now make no one fly out. The next one fly out, you go and stuck.
Fly out, man. I say go, man. Remember saying, no, man.
You have to have faith.
People
You have to
just
make yourself-
baptized. Yo, alright, let me tell you. You see, moto, to me, auntie moto. On Sunday evening, moto baptized, you know. As moto baptized, yo. What do you, man? Somebody the free ground moto, man. Bad word that a cloud said time, man. I
Yeah,
say how you name, remember saying baptized, I fly out. So.
Me see people are baptized and people in our crowd. Because when them did a baptize.
Alright, I'll put down my glass.
Oh man, and the people them in our crowd laugh. You man turn around and give them some word. I told me I use certain type of word for the video.
See?
Because like say pastor the human, you know, so the pastor the human, you know. I take him up back human. Having to and the wipe off his face, And when pastor when I try to dip him, he went hard for dip. You see me, so pastor have to muscle up and dip him, so he get up and wipe off his face. So them I say, pastor, I want them to go through, dip him again. No man in turn around and give crowd some word. See place over there, so me I show you. The big truck gonna stop this. My name Grand Depot. We are gonna go over the one place, guys. Over this. Grand Depot. So when I come down over there, pretty. The truck with a black thing. cake. I not sure you see cake, Nick.
Jerk what me just eat and drink soup. You know?
That I just eat,
Eh?
but I want you see if you eat now.
Festival, you know.
That I want you eat
Don't play
already.
with me thing, you know.
That's you eat that already, but me I talk about what you see if you eat now. Nick, you know say argument go up a yard, big argument
Go on.
and cussing.
Go on.
Black cake, yeah. You go want to eat more than me. And when me I take little slice, a big slice, you go want to take.
No argument can go on.
That I think. Guys, you have made it to the end of the little vlog. Breeze out to tear off my eyelash clean. Because the breeze heavy as me turn. So stay tuned for more behind the scenes from movie shooting, and stay tuned for more vlog when we go to Kobush and then go something there again, and when we go on the farm, and just stay tuned whatever in the midst coming. Once more, big up on yourself and thanks for watching.